Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Just want to do a quick video on the FX40 that I currently have hooked up on my 2610 SE cab Kioti. It's the Wallenstein FX40 and it hauls up to 4,000 pounds, so we're going to give it a shot. As you can see, it makes quick work of pretty much any log. All these logs are cut at 12 feet, so it makes it a little bit easier. But definitely as we get down, the bigger ones are going to be at least 1,500 to 2,000 pounds each. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.